IELTS academic writing. Test format. Academic writing task 1 involves writing about a graph, chart, table, or illustrated process, regardless of which you choose. The format is essentially the same for all writing tasks. Writing task 1 should be at least 150 words and completed in 20 minutes. Many teachers advocate writing 4 paragraphs, but it is possible to write only 3 if you follow our suggested structure. Paragraph 1, Introduction. Word count, 50 words. First sentence, introduction sentence. Introduce the topic of the graph, table, etc. What is being measured? What is the unit of measurement? Are the times and dates that need to be mentioned? Do not interpret any of the data. Do not compare any of the data. Instead, it can be useful to complete this sentence. This graph shows. Second sentence, main features. Write a sentence or two that describes the main features of the graph, chart, or table. Mention the highest points and the lowest points. If there are other interesting features that you would like to explain later, mention them here too. Do not explain why these points are interesting. Do not explain why one point is high or one point is low. Don't interpret the data. Some sample sentences that can be useful here. The most interesting trend was underscore. The biggest change over the given time period was. Paragraph 2, Body. Word count, 50 words. Pick one of the main features that you mention in the first paragraph. Now, you can explain this feature in detail. You can do this in 3 to 5 sentences. Mention all the numbers and measurements that are relevant to this feature. This might feel like you are simply copying down the data that you see in the chart or table. That's okay. This is exactly what you want to do in writing task 1. Again, this is not about forming an opinion or an argument. You can also compare features here. Look for opposites or contrasting data points, as they are easiest to describe. Paragraph 3, Body. Word count, 50 words. Just like in the previous paragraph. All you have to do now is describe the main feature. Follow the same method as above. When done, you do not have to write a conclusion. Simply move on to writing task 2.